Greetings. That's the second video of a collection of videos about the postboy library. Today I'm going to talk about the installation process and I'll show you a small example how to use the library. We will create two components, a table component with a collection of articles, just strings, nothing more, and a filter component which is responsible for filtering of the articles. Let's start from the creation of the project. Okay, the project is up. Now we need to install the library itself. You can do it through CMD or through package.json. I prefer the package.json installation. Talking about the versions, if you use Angular 16 or less, you should use the measure version 1 of the postboy library. For 17 plus, you should use the second version. And install. That's it, we need a bit more preparation. First of all, let's create a new directory, services, and create the main service of the postboy, postboy service. It's just an empty service, nothing interesting here to say the truth, just extends postboy service, and that's it, we don't need anything more here. And next we should create another service for registration of all the messages in the system. Let's call it message service register. Message register. It is a bit more interesting. First of all, let's get rid of root here. For this moment we don't need this really, but for bigger projects and in next lessons and next videos we will use division by sections of the application, so then we would need to have separate sections, we would have a few registrators, and that's why we should get used to delete this root. Okay, the service extends abstract, postboy abstract register. Let's implement the methods that are necessary. There's only one here. And let's connect our postboy service. And set it to super. Yeah, that's it. That's all for the moment for this service. Let's go to the app component and provide our register here, message register service. In constructor we include our message register into our app component, and we should use method app here to register all the messages in the system. That's the point where all the magic starts in the application, talking about message management. And also we have to implement on destroy to unsubscribe all the messages in the system correctly, and again this message service and down method. Don't forget about this step. It's really important to get rid of any memory leaks. That's it. The system is ready for management of messages. And now let's create our components. First of all, we need the directory components. Let's call the first one articles. Why not? And the second one is filter component. Okay, about articles. Let's include our postboy service for constructor as always. Private postboy service, postboy service. That's it. And we have to show kind of collection of articles, so we don't have any services, any sources of these articles. So let's create just a variable, just an array of data with simple strings. And that's it, why not? And let's add a bit more. Why not? That's it, we have our articles, and also let's create a collection of filtered articles. We are going to show them on our page. At the beginning, it equals the main articles collection. That's it. And let's go to the HTML and create some representation of our data. Let's create a table. Why not? It's possible to create just a list of divs, but why not? Let's create a normal table without any CSS, of course. We don't need this here. It's not the point. Name of the article, let's say. Doesn't matter. And tbody and tr ng4 articles and article. That's it. I believe it should work, but we will check it at the final step. Talking about the filter. The same story, we need the postboy instance here. So private postboy service, postboy service again. Also in HTML we need the input itself. Type text, and also we need the method. Input changed, event, and the variable, let's say text, the current value of the input. And after the input change, we should set text to yep. That's it. Let's get back to HTML and let's call our method on input. And that's it. That's all. That's ready. And now we should start using the postboy logic. First of all, we need the message to send from filter to articles. Let's create another directory, messages, and I prefer to create separate directories for events, for comments, for queries. Let's create a directory events. And here we are going to create just a simple file with our message. Let's call it filter changed event. So it's a class that extends postboy generic message. It should have a static read-only ID property. Here you can set whatever you want. I prefer grids, but you can use any string here. The main idea here is the string should be unique for the whole application. And also we should set the value of the message, the information we are going to send, because we have only really simple filter, just a text there. So let's send just text string. Take into account that the public word should be here. And let's register our message in our registrator. Let's go to services, message register, and here we're calling register subject method and the filter changed event ID. That's it. The message is ready to be sent in the system of postboy. Let's make our components to listen to this message and to fire the message. First of all, let's go to the filter. Filter should send the message at the moment the user changes the value in the input. So let's call this postboy service, the method fire, and put new instance of filter changed event here with this text. From this point, the message will be sent to the system with the text value. And the last step, the articles component should listen to all these messages and react to them. Let's implement in only init. Yep. Okay. And here in init, we're going to call this postboy service, the method sub to subscribe to a message, the identifier of the message, filter changed event, and subscribe to it. Yeah, we should filter the collection of articles here. That's it. And by the way, yeah, it would be much better to use change detection on push. Of course, it's not really important for the postboy system, but you know, everyone should use it. And Y mark for check. And that's it. The system should work. Let's check it. whoa. We definitely should include our components to the app component. Filter component and the articles component. Come on. That's it. Yep. That's our list of articles. That's our filter. Let's check it. Let's try to write React. And nothing happens. And what's wrong? I believe. Oh, sure. We should use filtered articles here, not the articles itself. And here we are. And come on. And now I believe it should work. Yeah. Filtration is okay. That's it. So we took a look at the installation process and check the simplest scenario of using the postboy library. In the next videos I'm going to talk about callback messages, about queries, about synchronic messages, and many other things. If you're interested in the library, look at the site, look at the documentation, and subscribe. See you soon. Thank you.